Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to find entry-level jobs on Upwork. Why would you want to know how to find entry-level jobs on Upwork? Well, maybe it is your first time using Upwork and not sure how to find entry-level jobs on Upwork. So today I am going to show you how to find entry-level jobs on Upwork. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. If you are new to any skill or on Upwork and willing to find entry-level jobs, how you can do that? The process is very simple. First of all, open any browser. Now write upwork.com in search bar. Now you are seeing search bar. Click on it without typing anything. Now you are seeing filters in left corner. Here on left corner you are seeing experience level. Click on entry level. Now you will only see entry level jobs. Find a job and apply on it. There you go. If you wanted to know how to find entry level jobs on Upwork, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.